loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to recreate this beautiful look which I actually saw on Pinterest, but I really don't know her name, so if any of you guys know, please comment down below so I can give her some credit. I really hope you guys enjoy this beautiful tutorial. So with that being said, let's just jump right to the tutorial. I already did my eyebrows off camera like always, but you guys know I have a tutorial on that and I will be listing it down on the description box below. And as usual, I used it on Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in chocolate. To prime my lids, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and blending it with my Morphe sponge. To set the concealer, I'm using my RCMA No Color Powder, and as always, remember to always do tapping motions so your eyeshadow can be easy to blend. So I'm going to start with the Morphe3502 palette, which is the Second Nature palette. So the first shade I'm going to grab is this one right here, which is called Fire. As you can see, I'm slowly buffing this color into my lid, and as I'm blending, I'm doing circular motions. I'm basically packing this color into my lid, and with a clean brush, which is the Wet n Wild blending brush, I'm going to start blending out the edges. Next, I'm going to be going with this shade right here. This is called Chestnut, and I'll be applying it right in the middle of my crease. Next shade I'll be applying is the darkest black color, which is called Whisk, and I'm adding it on the crease pretty much where I applied Chestnut, right in the middle, back and forth, and start carving out the eye with this shade. To cut my crease, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and you guys already know my favorite brush to cut my creases, which is the Morphe M508 brush. I highly recommend this brush, you guys. As you can see, this is a quick tip to cut my crease, especially for hooded eyes. You put the concealer on the lid, look up, and that's where you'll be cutting the crease. Going back with Whisk, I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. So what I'm basically doing here is packing the color and blending out the edges with the Morphe M433 brush. Morphe 35B palette, I'll be grabbing this dark purple shade right here, and I'll be applying it on the middle of my lid. This is a palette from BH Cosmetics called Midnight Affair, and I'm using this light purple shimmery shade. I'll be applying it on the inner part of my lid, if that makes sense. As you guys can see, I'm going for like an ombre effect. Using my Wet n Wild H2O waterproof liquid liner, I'm not going to wing it out. I just wanted to add liner also so the lashes won't be too noticeable. Next, I'll be applying glitter on the middle of my lid, right where I'll apply the dark purple shade. And this is the Revlon Photoready Eye Art and the number 020. For lashes today, I'm using these beautiful lashes, which are the Mink 3D hair lashes in style A11. I actually got these lashes for free from the app I always talk about on my Snapchat. which is VERYDICE, and you can use code 2160388, all listed right here, so you can get yours for free now. Let me know if you guys are interested in me doing a video of me explaining the app by giving this video a huge thumbs up. So what I'm basically doing now, I'm just adding the same colors I added on top to the bottom lash. I'm adding this purple shimmer shade to the inner corner of my eyes, as well as the same glitter I added on my lid. I also added highlight on my brow bone, and I used the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in Precious Petals. For mascara, I'm using the Big Shot by Maybelline, and finally for lips, I'm using this gorgeous lipstick that went perfect with this look. I don't remember the name, but I'll list it down on the description box below. And that completes this look, you guys. I really hope you liked it. Remember to tag me if you do recreate this look or any of my looks for a Snapchat shout out. Follow me on all my social medias. I'm planning on another giveaway pretty soon. Just stay tuned. So yeah guys, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love you all so much. See you guys on my next video. Bye!